Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I keep saying I'm going to make this video and it is the night before Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna make the video now. I've been sick, it's been crazy. I started college again and that's why my background and my proper lights aren't here, but I have for you a very easy, it's gonna be so easy. Anyone can do it. I can do it, you can do it. You can wear this going out with your man. You can wear this if you just like walking around somewhere with your boo thing. Say you even got a boo thing. Say you got a little side piece or something. You could dress up for him. I don't know. You could dress up for yourself. For yourself. Because that is very important. Self-love is so important. To make sure this video isn't as long as the last one, I'm just going to show you the eyes mainly. Most of my face is always the same anyways. It's mainly going to be the exact same as the last one. If I do anything different, I will let you know. So let's get on with the video. First step, we're going to prime our eyes, and you can just use honestly concealer for this part, and you can set it or you cannot set it. Me, I have oily eyes, so I set it sometimes, but today I'm actually going to take the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and use that. You don't know what your Valentine's Day plans are. I mean, maybe you are making the plans, but say like your man is like, I'm gonna surprise you. You don't know what you're in for. You could be, I don't even know. You could like take a walk through the park, a picnic, a dinner, go, I don't know, swim or something. I don't know what people do, but you want this to stay put. Next, I'm gonna use the palette that everyone on this earth has. Like, if you don't have it, you have the dupe for it. If you don't have the dupe, then you have another eyeshadow palette that has similar colors. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. She cute. She looks like Valentine's Day. Like, she real cute. She dirty, but she cute. And I'm using the same brush set as last time as well. This is the BH Cosmetics. I believe it's called Smoke and Mirrors, but it's the silver brush set. And I'm taking the fluffiest one. This is number 7. I'm gonna start with Raw Sienna, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Next, I'm gonna take my number 8 brush. It's more densely packed. I like it to like really just get into the crease. And we're gonna take Love Letter. I tried to look at the monitor. It's right here. I'm just gonna take the same brush and we're gonna use Cypress Umber right here to add a little depth to the outer corner and then just a touch on the inner corner. And I'm gonna take my Tartelette in the Bloom palette just to use this like really deep, like it's a really dark shade right in here, just for like the just to add a little depth like right there. But you could use like any black shadow or like super duper dark brown. Take this NYX glitter. It's actually in the shade Red, but I think it matches like the Love Letter color really well, but I think it's more hot pink. I'm gonna take that and our e.l.f. glitter primer, and we're just gonna use our hands because why not? Brushes are too much. But I'm just gonna use my index. I'm gonna dab into the glitter primer and then just place on the middle of my eyelid where there's no eyeshadow. And you can take the same finger if you want and dab into the glitter. Now I have hooded eyes, so I like to go like a little bit above where my crease is, because or else you're just not gonna see anything. Now with the power of video editing, I'm gonna cut to most of my face being done. And today I'm actually trying to get a brand new concealer. Like, I just bought this 2 hours ago. It's the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. It is a liquid concealer. It doesn't say much in the packaging, but I know a lot of people, for those who have canceled Tarte, which I'd be included in that, this is a very good dupe. It's $7, so we're gonna see how it goes. It should be fine. I mean, Alyssa Ashley told me it was good, so that means it's good. I'm sorry, y'all. I really wanted to cut through most of this, but I just gotta talk about this palette right here. So this palette right here is everything. It's so like, it's the Beauty Bakerie Coffee and Cocoa palette, but just look at it. Like, and then the packaging though, like, but this blush, everything. This bronzer, everything. This is really good if you like contoured and you actually did too much and you can just put some on the jawline right there. It's also good for like a bronzer for like a lighter tone than me. And then this highlighter, it's real cute. Y'all see that? Bam. That's what I want. If someone's sitting across the table from me at dinner, I like look down at my phone, or I like turn the like get my glass of water. I want them to see this. I want to be like, ooh. You see that? If you do this right here, your man, your woman, your whoever, your loved one, your soulmate, they gonna be instantly blinded. They're gonna be trapped forever because of this. So you gotta do it. Alright, to finish off the look, I'm gonna take this Ulta Glitter Eye Top Coat in the shade Gold Digger. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna do my inner corner with it. Okay, and I'm going back in with first Love Letter, and we're gonna do that on the bottom lash line up to probably like here, and then we're gonna take the dark brown and just do the end. And I'm not typically an eyeliner person. Like a wing with this would be real cute, but these hooded eyes and wings, they don't go together. But I'm gonna take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. I think it's Perversion, yeah. It's the black one. And I'm just gonna line my waterline. And finally, I'm gonna put on lashes. So this is actually a 5-pack, and then you get a 3-pack as well. And I buy them from Amazon. They're like $12. I'll link it down below. To set everything, I'm using my Ulta Beauty Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. Not much to say about it. I mean, it's a dewy setting spray. It smells really good. It smells like coconut. And last but not least, I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakerie Lip Whip. I think it's Sakura Delight, but it's a very pretty pink. And I saw the swatches on many different skin tones, and it looked so good on everyone. I'm gonna line my lips first with NYX Lip Liner in brown. And the reason I'm using a matte lipstick today is because, well, normally I'm a lip gloss anytime, anywhere girl, but this is gonna stay on all day, all night through, no matter what you eat, drink, whatever, it's gonna stay on. And then also it's Valentine's Day, and it's pink, and it's cute, so. And this is the final look. Thank you so much everyone for watching and being so patient with me. It's been like a good month since I posted my last video, but I am really gonna try to do some more here very, very soon. Let me know what you guys want to see, so please comment down below and let me know. I could do like an Ulta haul. I did buy a dupe for the Subculture palette if anyone wants to see it. There's skincare, hair care. I also did plan on doing a highlighter haul, so just let me know if you guys want to see any of those or if you have any ideas of your own. And thank you once again to all of my supporters. I appreciate you watching my last video, coming back to this video, or if you're new here, welcome. Please give a like and subscribe. That'd be great. I don't know where the button is, but you can find it, I'm sure. Y'all smart. So please subscribe and like up this video. Thank you so much, and I'll be sharing photos of this look on my Twitter, which I will also put all my social medias down below. Thank you so much, everyone.